everybody, it's Go Geronimo. Today I got some mullet. It wasn't a great day, I got two. I went netting this morning. It's really my fault because I couldn't get that sucker open right. But I'm going to smoke these. I'm going to also show you how I butterfly them for smoking. We'll cut to that video.
Alright, so we're going to clean this fish just like any other fish, except for after we scale it, we're going to actually cut it from the back along the side of one side of the spine. I'll show you that in just a second. But you notice that the scales are kind of big on mullet, and if you're going to be doing this in the kitchen, I would suggest going ahead and taking your time doing it slowly so that the scales will just kind of fall off rather than shoot out. I'm going to be cutting right behind that pectoral fin, right behind the gill, and then I'm going to turn the knife to the spine and follow the spine all the way down the tail without cutting through the belly. If you do it right, you're actually not going to cut into the stomach, and at this point you can just kind of rip the stomach open and pull the rest of the guts out. What I'm doing right now is kind of opening the gill portion out so I can dig them out and just kind of yank them out. Everything else pretty much just comes out pretty easy. And you want to go ahead and rinse them out. Now I'm going to be putting it in a type of a brine solution. This is hickory flavored smoking liquid. I'm just going to pour some at the base. Then I'm going to put some Morton iodized salt. Then I'm going to add some water. Just kind of stir it up and then throw the fish flesh side down.
Alright, so after the
mullet
has been soaking in this brine solution that I put together, I'm going to go ahead and get this sucker cooking. What I used today is some all-natural hardwood lump charcoal. I'm going to be putting some hickory over the top of it, kind of move it over the top of the lump charcoal and let it smoke over time. This kind of smoking is both heat and smoke, because I don't want to spend all day trying to cold smoke it. Alright, got this thing getting a little hot here. You don't want it too hot. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of even out or scatter out these coals here. sprinkle some of this hickory chips here. The best thing to do really is to soak this in water, make it real punky, but I don't have time for that today, so we're just gonna scatter these wood chips over the top. There you go, smoke. I'm gonna go ahead and use the top rack here because I'm getting some pretty good heat up here. And so if I went any lower, I probably would get too much. I'm just gonna open these suckers up, them back first, because when they get started, if you put them on the meat side, they like to stick on that grill. So we'll have to keep on adding some wood as we go along to keep it smoking. Alright, so we'll just keep on checking on this thing, make sure it's smoking, and we'll cover it up, and pretty soon we should have some nice smoked mullet! Alright, the mullet has spent about 30 minutes in the smoker, and I'm going to flip the mullet! I wanted to give it plenty of time to dry first before I turned it around. And I'm also going to spray it. Spray the grill to help it not stick. Oh, smoke in the eye! Smoke in the eye! And in about 30 more minutes, these mullet will be pretty much done. So we're almost there. And we have some really tasty smoked mullet. Alright, finished product. The mullet is now finished smoking. It is going to be awesome tasting. We're going to put this on a plate. It's just in time for lunch, actually. And remember, this is Go Geronimo. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, share my videos with others. I really do appreciate your support. Keep on supporting me. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.